Contract law is one of the most tested topics on the Arizona real estate exam, and it's where many candidates lose easy points because they rush. Welcome to Property Professor's AZ Real Estate Exam series. In this module, we're covering the essential elements of a valid contract and how Arizona tests them. For a contract to be legally enforceable in Arizona real estate, 5 core elements must exist: offer, acceptance, consideration, capacity, and lawful purpose. Let's break these down clearly. An offer is a clear proposal made by one party to another with the intent to create a binding agreement. The offer must be definite and certain. If terms are vague, it may not be enforceable. Acceptance occurs when the offeree agrees to the exact terms of the offer. Acceptance must mirror the offer. If changes are made, it becomes a counteroffer, not acceptance. Remember this for the exam. Any change equals a counteroffer. Consideration means something of value exchanged between the parties. In real estate, this is often money, but consideration can also be a promise to perform. Capacity means the parties must be legally competent to enter into a contract. This generally includes being of legal age and mentally competent. Lawful purpose means the contract cannot be for an illegal objective. Now let's discuss the statute of frauds. In Arizona, real estate contracts must be in writing to be enforceable. Verbal agreements for the sale of real property are generally not enforceable under the statute of frauds. This is a very common exam question. Watch for wording like oral agreement to sell land. That is typically unenforceable. Now let's talk about types of contracts. A bilateral contract is when both parties make promises to each other. Most real estate purchase contracts are bilateral. A unilateral contract involves one party making a promise in exchange for performance. An option contract is a classic example. You also need to understand the difference between valid, void, voidable, and unenforceable contracts. A valid contract meets all required elements and is enforceable. A void contract has no legal effect from the beginning. It is not enforceable. A voidable contract is valid, but can be rescinded by one party, often due to misrepresentation or lack of capacity. An unenforceable contract is valid but cannot be enforced in court, often due to failure to meet legal requirements like writing under the statute of frauds. Arizona exam questions often test your ability to distinguish between void and voidable. Here's a memory tip. Void means it never existed legally. Voidable means one party can choose to cancel. Finally, remember that in Arizona, a contract is considered executed when all parties have signed and agreed to the terms. In Part 2, we'll go through real Arizona-style contract law practice questions and break down common exam traps. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.